Hey there. I am so glad that you can make it to your appointment today. I know you canceled like the past 5, so I'm really glad you gave us a little time today. So, this is just a little, not really an introductory because we did have our introduction about a month and a half ago, before you kept canceling. But we're gonna have this, post-introductory questionnaire today. So I'm just going to ask you a series of questions just to, recollect what we discussed our last meeting and, just get to learn a little bit more about you. So, is that all right? Okay, perfect. So, we're just going to go ahead and just get out my handy dandy pen. It is my favorite pen. It lets out a little aromatherapy while I'm asking you questions, so it's going to help. Let's see which one we're going to do. Yeah, it's going to help calm you down. We're just going to calm you down, calm you down, calm you down. So we're just going to flick that on, and as I write, I'm going to have nice little essential oils just slowly creeping out into the atmosphere. So if you get a little hint of orange, maybe a little eucalyptus, it's alright, just know that it's coming from here. So we're gonna get started on these questions, and don't worry, they may sound a little odd, they may sound a little questionable, but please do not report me to the board. I promise you they are absolutely necessary, okay? Okay, now let's get started. So what's your first name again? And how do you spell that? Okay. Perfect. Now, what's your date of birth? Yeah, it's in the file, but I want to make sure that, you are who you say you are. No, scamming activity going on. We've had a lot of that in the past where, people stole someone's identity so that they could get free therapy. I don't know. I don't really, get the point of that, but I guess it's kind of reasonable, nowadays. Alright. And how tall would you say you are? Okay. And this one is a doozy. A lot of people get tripped up here, don't worry. What's your social security number? Don't be shy, don't be shy. It's all confidential, promise you. It's part of my oath. Okay. Alright. Now, did you file your taxes this year? Are you old enough to file your taxes? Okay. Do you claim anyone on your taxes? Or are you claimed? Okay. Now, when you're putting your shoes on, do you put your left foot in first or your right foot? Just go with it. Answer the questions. Okay. Do you sit down before you put on your shoes, or do you put on your shoes while you're standing? Okay. Do you fall asleep at night easily? Like, within the first 5 or so minutes, do you fall asleep? Okay. And do you watch ASMR to fall asleep? Okay. Are you vegetarian? Okay. Would you ever consider being vegan? Okay. Do you wear glasses? Are you prescribed glasses and you don't wear glasses? Okay. Gotcha. Do you wipe standing up or sitting down? Okay. Gotcha. Now we're going to get down to the real personal questions. Don't get scared, it's all relevant. When no one's at home and you're using the bathroom and you only go number one, do you wash your hands? Be honest. Okay. Alright. Now when you're in a public restroom, do you wash your hands? Okay. Do you happen to pick your nose? And if you pick your nose, what do you do with it after you pick it? Okay. Let's say you're eating, right? And you have different items on your plate. Do you eat a little bit of each item together, or do you eat all of one item, then move on to the next item, then the next? Okay. Do you speak any other languages? Oh. Tu parles français? Okay. ¿Habla español? Gotcha. Okay. Let's see. Do you go to a hair salon or do you take care of your own hair? Okay. Do you wear socks to sleep at night? Okay. Do you let your foot creep out over the bed while you're sleeping, or are you afraid a monster's gonna get it? I'm afraid a monster's gonna get it. I can tell you that. I'm a therapist, a psychologist, whatever. I can tell you that. I'm licensed, I swear. What's your favorite summer or spring? I know they're pretty close, but they definitely have their differences. Now, if you had to choose one season out of all four, which one are you choosing? Okay. Now, if you celebrated Christmas, do you open up a present on Christmas Eve? What's your favorite school subject? Is it gym? Mine was art. Do you enjoy nature documentaries? Okay. Do you think that you would have survived the meteorite that killed the dinosaurs? Okay. How many times a day do you brush your teeth? After you brush your teeth, do you go to check? Okay. Just asking. When you're in the shower, Do you wash your feet? No, it didn't smell when you walked in. I swear it didn't smell when you walked in. I'm just curious. I told you these are all very legit questions. I promise you they're all legal. I'm definitely allowed to ask you all of these things. I have a license. I'm a psychiatrist, psychologist, whatever. 1 second. Let me change the page. We're getting to the nitty gritty. Okay. Now, do you remember your dreams? Okay. Gotcha. Are you a side sleeper, stomach sleeper, or a back sleeper? Right. How much water do you drink a day? How much would you say? Just an estimate, maybe. Okay. If you're going out and your socks don't match, do you care? Or are you someone that makes sure that your socks match in advance? Okay. What's your favorite social media app? Okay. Are you a cat person or a dog person? Or you don't like animals at all? Okay. What's the last book you read? Okay. If someone said you had to either climb Mount Everest or go into a trench, what would you do? Yeah, I'm talking about a trench in the ocean. Which one are you choosing? You have no choice, you have to pick. Okay. Quick. Lose a finger or lose 2 toes? It has to be your middle finger. Any 2 toes, doesn't matter. Okay. Wax your entire head or grow a unibrow and nose hair on your nose, not in it. You can't shave it. Okay. Immortal snail. What do you think about it? Interesting. One gorilla versus you. Who's winning? Gotcha. Have you ever broken a bone? Okay. Would you like to break a bone? I could help. Seriously. It's my job. I'm supposed to help my patients, obviously. No? Your loss. Okay. Could've got you a very nice cast and everything. But that's cool. Walk 100 miles or Dougie for 3 hours straight. No stopping. No water either. No bathroom breaks. Which one are you choosing? Okay. Do you do your own laundry? Okay. Do you have any allergies? What's your favorite food? Have you ever had pink eye? Okay. Okay, so now that I have all of these amazing questions from you, I am just gonna input it all into my system. We're gonna see what comes out from it. We're gonna see what they determine you are so that we can move forward with your next sessions. Are you thinking your next session might be in the next 3 months or so? I know you like to cancel, so. Okay, so yeah, once I get these results back, promise you they're gonna come back. Your information has not been stolen. The results are gonna come back in the next 2 weeks to 3 years, and I'm gonna be able to, decide what we're gonna move forward. If you get an alert, an email perchance that says your identity may have been stolen, it's not me, I promise you. I would never do that to you. I don't know how anything like that would happen, but of course you wouldn't have to worry about that. Like I said, we're going to get this information back to you. Again, if the police come up to your front door and they say, hey, did you happen to attend a therapy session with this specific therapist, just go ahead and say, yeah, perchance, that was me. But anything after that, tell them, I don't know what you're talking about. Who even does things like that? Just act a little nonchalant about the whole situation. But again, that probably won't occur. Make sure for our next appointment you don't actually come to this location because it might be foreclosed, but that's okay. I'm going to send you an email in the next week or two letting you know where we're going to meet, and then we'll be able to discuss your future sessions at different locations. They will never be the same. But you don't have to worry about that because again, it's all legit. I am licensed. I promise you, I'm licensed. So with that being said, I really hope that this pen gave you some really good therapy. I hope that the questions didn't shake you up too much. They were all legit, I promise you, all legit. So, that's all that matters. Now, please, I think I hear sirens down the hall, so if we could just wrap this up right now, that would be great, alright? Thank you. See you later. Bye-bye. Do you think that you would have survived the Big Bang? Wait, do you just wear mix matched socks? Immortal squirrel.